5 Easy Ways to Get Your Creative Juices Going.
Writing an article doesn't just mean putting down thoughts into words, then typing and writing it. You have to capture the interest of your readers and get them to keep on reading. To send your message across, you have to get the attention of the reader and have a firm grasp of their interest and pique their curiosity. The main ingredient in baking up an article is a large dose of creativity. While creativity may come natural to many people, some just gets into a block or something to that effect that can drive someone crazy. Many writers have literally torn their hair out when they get writer's block and just can't seem to get their creative juices flowing. Putting words into images in the reader's mind is an art. A clear and crisp depiction requires a certain flair that only creativity can provide. Similes and metaphors help a lot, but the way an article gets entwined word for word, sentence by sentence, then paragraph by paragraph into a whole article develops the essence of the article. So just what do you have to do when nothing comes to mind? There is no surefire ways to get the perfect ideas, but there are easy ways to get your creative juices flowing. No one can guarantee you of having the perfect mindset, but many methods may aid you in achieving that state of mind. Here are 5 easy ways for that. 1. Keep a diary or a journal with you always. Ideas can be triggered by anything you may hear, see, or smell. Your senses are your radar in finding great ideas. Write all of them into a journal and keep it with you for future reference. You may also write down anything that you have read or heard. Someone's ideas could be used to develop your own ideas, and this is not stealing. Remember that ideas and creativity can come from anywhere, it's the development of the idea that makes it unique. 2. Relax and take time to sort things out. A jumbled mind cannot create any space for new ideas. Everyone must have a clear mind if one wishes to have their creativity in full speed. Get rid of all obstacles that can be a hindrance to your creativity. If you are bothered by something, you cannot force your mind to stay focused. Try to relax every time that you can and think about your experiences and interactions with others. Your experiences are what shape your mindset and your opinions, which could be reflected on your writings. Try to discover yourself, find out what triggers your emotions. Discover what inspires you and what ticks you off. You can use these emotions to help you in expressing yourself and your ideas. With this you can grow creatively. 3. Create a working place that can inspire your creativeness. Your working place can be quite a hindrance if it doesn't make you feel happy or relaxed. Creativity comes from being in a good state of mind, and a messed up workplace that causes distraction won't be conducive in firing up your creative flow. Surround your working place with objects that makes you happy and relaxed. You may put up pictures, or scents, objects that inspire, or anything that can get your creativeness cranking. A clean and well-organized workplace also rids of distractions and unwanted hindrances. With a good working place, you can work in peace and never notice the time pass by. 4. Set the mood. Setting the mood requires you to just go with the moment or to induce yourself to feeling what makes your mind works best. Finding out what makes you tick could help you find ways to get your creative juices flowing. Set the pace and tempo for your mood and everything else will follow. There are many ways to set the mood. Some writers have been known to use alcohol, a little sip of wine, to stir up the imagination. Some would like some mood music, while others let the lighting of the environment create the mood. 5. Go on a getaway and just do something unlike crazy. Letting yourself go and have fun produces adrenaline that can make your imagination go wild. Take an adventure or a solemn hike. Whatever it is that is unusual from your daily routine can take the rut out of your schedule. In no time at all, Your creativeness will make use of that experience and get your imagination to go on overdrive.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.